You love topwater, but can't fish a frog. It's crazy to me. There. Oh, come on! They keep getting off. There we go. Yeah. There you go. First one of the day. There we go. Fish on. It's not a bad one. There we go. There we go. On the soft jerk bait. There you go. This is a power bait 3-inch soft jerk bait right here in all white color. This is the second bass I caught on the day on it, and hopefully more come. There you go, fish on. You might be, oh, there it goes. Holding up on that tree over there. Dang it, I'm trying to get it. Dude, it's so freaking bright, I can't even see. Yeah, stuff waking. I see it now. It's always a good sign. It's always a good sign. I waited 3 seconds on that, Dad. 3 seconds. Huh? Yeah, I waited 3 seconds on this. Because I was like this. I literally went like this because the sun was in my eyes. I don't even think the camera can see this because it's so blinding. Watch this, Dad. There you go. Yeah, got him. Yeah. Can't snap off. It's a little one. It's a little one. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, he's not that bad. Nah, yeah, he is. It wasn't worth going blind. Jesus. Dude, he choked it. No, he didn't. Oh my god. you go. First frogfish. There you go. Good one. I almost went blind looking over there, but paid off. There you go. There you go. Oh, he got off. He got off the frog. No. I had him. Dang. He's gonna come back. I don't care. We're gonna get him. This little... Alright, what do we got going on here? They're stacked up right there. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, maybe not on that cast. Yeah, not on that one. We were in the wrong spot. Perfect. There you go. Got him. Got him. I told you we were gonna get him. I told you that. That was a fact. Yes, I only brought one rod, one reel. That's it. So I got to fish with 10-pound mono. But hey, it's getting the job done. There we go. Booyah pad crasher bass. This is the second one I caught on it today, and gonna keep casting around here. Hopefully get some more. Come on, get off my rod, you seaweed, you heifer. Come on, seriously. Oh, heck no. We got a turtle, don't we? What the freak is that? Oh, it's just seen. No, seriously, what is it? I don't know. I don't want to touch it, though. Alright, I guess we're touching it anyway. Like what the heck is that? Oh. Okay. That's interesting. It's a beautiful cast. Oh, he broke me off. No. Oh. No. I just got broke off. Dang.